Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the 4706-192 from Bobrick. Napkin Bezel Assembly, 25 cent for the Contura series. I have one removed from the packaging. Replacement exterior bezel assembly. For use with ADA compliant sanitary napkin vendors in the Contura series. And this is a 25 cent denomination. A couple of basic dimensional properties of the item. About 4 1/16 on the outside diameter. Obviously is going to have, the Contura series is contoured. So giving you some depth information is going to change. About 15/16. Then on the opposite side, about 1/2 inch. Now, there is some supporting documentation, so let's switch to the screen view so we can take a closer look. Okay, so our supporting documentation is down here, instructions. Now, there are instructions included with this item. There is more information here than is included with the unit, but they do bring us, they'll show us this part, obviously covering up the coin mechanism that's on the inside. The document that's included with your unit is near the end of this document, maybe page 6. Oh, it's the last page. All right, so page 7, this is what's included, and this would be the installation instructions for the bezel assembly. Okay, we've got the napkin bezel assembly. That's this item here. It's a 4706-192, which is here. Okay, for these models. It's a very simple and straightforward sort of procedure. You're just going to get that door open, and it will include the 3 screws necessary for installation. Here, here, and here. Very simple. Okay. Also shows a reference to the screws. There are T15 Torx screws, so be sure to have that available. It's just a standard Torx, not a pin Torx, for these plastite screws. And plastite just means that there's not much of a tip on the screw at all, and that the threads are quite wide because they're meant to thread into plastic, is what that is. Okay. Now, you're obviously dealing with one of these 3 units. Okay, and at that point, you have access to all of this information for maintenance when it comes to those 3 units. So helpful paperwork there. Let's finish up this video on camera. In conclusion, the name Bobrick is quite synonymous with all things commercial restroom equipment related. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bobrick products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the current product catalog. Also on that page would be the Bobrick Lock and Key Reference Guide, which is handy. The 2010 ADA Standards for Accessible Design is there. Why is that there? Where do I install my soap dispensers, my grab bars? That document will tell you the ADA compliant range of heights for all of that material. And before you install anything certainly in a public setting, be sure to review that document so that you know what the compliant heights would be for mounting everything that you're dealing with. Any questions on the 4706-192? This is the napkin bezel assembly or any other Bobrick product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.